3 easy home improvements that everyone should do, whether you're selling or not. Many of these are easy DIY projects, and the savings you attain helps to increase your return on your investment when the home sells. In today's real estate market, I refer to it as the HGTV syndrome, when everybody wants a move-in ready home. So what does that mean for you? So the first thing would be, you had me at the curb, right? Well, that's true. Here's a whole video just on curb appeal. But in a nutshell is, many home buyers do not even go in a home if it doesn't look inviting and well maintained. So no matter what the season is, have a seasonal decoration or wreath on the door. Make sure the front and the exterior is well maintained. Tip number 2 is paint is the magic horse. Exterior and interior. You don't want any peeling paint on the exterior, but on the interior, you also want all the rooms to be cohesive. People don't want to walk into a home and see a different color paint in all the rooms. And that would be a neutral color, a white, an off-white, a gray. Stay away from the bright, bold colors. As a matter of fact, a red or a brick-colored kitchen will actually lose money, statistically speaking. The third home improvement revolves around bedrooms and bathrooms. They still always sell a home, so make sure they're updated, upgraded, including light fixtures, cabinet doors and pulls, faucets, recaulk around the tub. I have something special for you. Down in the description, there is a 10-page downloadable PDF file for tips for a fast sale. These 3 areas, the exterior, that curb appeal, the paint, the color of the homes, the cohesive feeling, and the kitchens and bathrooms being updated, up to date, are the key to selling your home. And they're the most easy home improvement projects to do. So go ahead and dive into some of those home improvement projects this week. Thanks for watching this video. This is Kimberly DiPrima, a realtor with Option Realty Group, working in the far western suburbs known as the Fox Valley. Have a great day, and God bless.